Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's menu, it's Italian tiramisu. I like tiramisu, but I don't like to eat it outside because it contains raw eggs, although they're pasteurized, and it also contains alcohol. So what we're going to do today is we're going to get rid of these two ingredients and still make the tiramisu taste super delicious. Also, I'm going to give you vegan substitutes, so stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and follow me at Feed Your Body, Mind and Soul channel on Instagram. Let's get started.
First, start by adding 1 cup of double cream to a heavy bottomed pan, then add in 150 grams of chocolate. I'm using dark chocolate because I love dark chocolate, but you can also use milk chocolate. Keep stirring to make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom. If you're vegan, of course use vegan cream and chocolate and follow the same procedure. The vegan cream that I like is the Oatly cream. I don't know if you've tried that before. I switched off the heat halfway through and then continued stirring so that it doesn't get stuck to the bottom. You get this beautiful creamy chocolate sauce, or what we call ganache. Don't forget to add a pinch of salt to enhance the taste of the sugar and the chocolate. Next, to 150 ml of hot water, add 2 teaspoons of instant coffee plus 1 teaspoon of drinking chocolate. I'm using sponge fingers that I bought from a local supermarket. The best ones are the Italian ladyfinger biscuits if you can get hold of them, or you can make your own sponge fingers as well. Just need to dip these in the coffee and arrange them in the bowl that you're actually going to make and serve the dessert in. If children are going to be eating this dessert, remember to reduce the coffee powder to 1 teaspoon rather than 2 teaspoons. Continue arranging the sponge fingers in 2 layers. We need about 1 packet, which is roughly about 150 grams. You can also use Marie biscuits if you're in India, and it is quite similar taste. Now pour in the chocolate ganache until it covers the biscuits in 1 layer. If you've noticed, my biscuits are actually coated with sugar. Otherwise, I would have wet the sponges further with some syrup before adding the chocolate. The syrup is what I would use instead of the marsala wine that is traditionally used in tiramisu recipes. Now let's prepare the cheese layer. To another bowl, add 250 grams of mascarpone cheese, followed by 250 grams of ricotta cheese. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste or extract. Add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup or honey. Start by blending the ingredients into a fine, smooth, batter-like consistency. If you are vegan, I suggest you can use any soft cheese, but I prefer using coconut cream, and I whip it up to make it airy and light instead of using a vegan cheese substitute. Whip it nice and smooth. It's almost like a thick pancake batter. I've poured in our cheese mix and just smoothed out the top. To finish off, I'm going to dust a spoonful of raw cacao powder over the cheesy layer. It's so beautiful, right? I love that white and the brown combination. Our eggless and alcohol-free tiramisu is now ready to enjoy.
So I really hope you enjoy making this recipe. If you've noticed, I've used raw cacao powder instead of cocoa powder in the recipe. This is because cacao powder is rich in flavonoids that may be associated with reduced risk of Alzheimer's disease. So go check it out. That's it from me today. This is Vishwa signing off for Feed Your Body, Mind and Soul. Stay happy, stay healthy. Bye!